Running a business gets tougher every day with rising costs, doesn't it? Are you struggling with inconsistent quality and high defect rates from your current coating suppliers? Well, we're here to introduce a solution, a certified coating company with nearly 40 years of experience working with major domestic and global corporations. Backed by fully automated systems, we offer competitive pricing and maintain exceptional quality with defect rates below the decimal point. Let us take you inside Hangook Nanotech, the #1 powder coating company in South Korea. Ready to begin the tour? Let's get started. The raw materials have just arrived. Once they're delivered, our materials management staff unloads the pallets into the warehouse and immediately begins incoming inspection. Based on the inspection agreement established with the client, we randomly select samples and check for any surface defects such as deformation, scratches, dents, or other irregularities. If no issues are found, we verify that the actual quantity matches the delivery slip. Then, we identify available storage space within the warehouse and store the materials accordingly. The receiving information is entered into our MES system, which then automatically generates a lot number and creates a production schedule. Finally, the materials manager prints out a routing slip, attaches it to the raw materials, and marks them for identification. Once the production schedule is generated by our MES system, the task force team moves the materials to the masking room. Here, masking is applied to areas that must be protected from coating. Following the masking work instruction displayed on the wall, team members prepare the required materials and carefully apply silicone masking to the designated points, as shown in the diagram. During this process, a second visual inspection is carried out to ensure the raw material surfaces are free of defects. Once masking is complete, the parts are assembled and stacked using clean corrugated plastic sheets between layers to prevent scratches. The assembled units are then moved to the shop floor. With masking and assembly complete, the products are ready for loading. The loading team checks the jig number indicated in the on-site work standard, matches it to the MES instructions, and hangs the products on the hanger using the specified jig. Each product is placed with precise spacing according to the jig design. Hangook Nanotech operates the longest coating line in Korea, 470 meters in length. The conveyor speed is adjustable between 2.3 and 6.4 meters per minute. To help our clients lower production costs, we also design and manufacture custom jigs in-house, tailored to each product's requirements. The loaded products then move into the pretreatment section, a critical process that removes surface contaminants and enhances paint adhesion. Although the effects may not be immediately visible, pretreatment plays a major role in long-term product durability. Simply put, the difference in pretreatment defines the difference in product reliability. While many competitors reduce their pretreatment to 2 to 3 steps due to space or cost constraints, Hangook Nanotech proudly operates a full 11-step pretreatment process, one of our key differentiators. Our MES system automatically decides the right pretreatment steps based on whether the material is ferrous or non-ferrous. So, if it's ferrous material, it goes through these 10 steps. Pre-rinse, pre-degreasing, main degreasing, rinse 1, rinse 2, surface conditioning, zinc phosphate coating, rinse 3, rinse 4, and finally a mist spray. If it's non-ferrous material, it follows a slightly different route with 9 steps. Pre-rinse, pre-degreasing, main degreasing, rinse 1, rinse 2, rinse 3, trivalent chrome treatment, rinse 4, and mist spray. Chemical dosing is automated, and our dedicated technicians constantly monitor pH, temperature, and pressure to ensure stable process control. Next, products enter the air blow zone. Here, electrostatic free air guns remove residual water, especially from areas where moisture tends to pool. A water curtain installed below the air zone traps airborne dust and prevents it from reattaching to the product. products then pass through our 69-meter pre-drying oven, where any remaining moisture is thoroughly evaporated. This process also preheats the material, which improves powder adhesion during coating. Once pre-dried, the product moves into the coating zone. Before starting, the operator adjusts the paint flow, voltage, and air pressure based on the coating work standard, pre-approved by both Hangook Nanotech and the client. The coating process is carried out in 3 steps. First, the operator performs a manual touch-up using a spray gun. This helps ensure that hard-to-reach or recessed areas are properly coated, places where automatic guns might miss. Second, the product enters the Color Max automatic booth. This smart system detects the size of the product and automatically adjusts the spray with 10 guns, 5 on each side, move vertically, applying an even layer of powder, according to the preset parameters. And third, after the automatic coating is done, the operator does a final inspection and touches up any spots that may have been missed. This final check ensures that even complex or curved surfaces are fully coated with no bare areas. Thanks to this 3-step process, even the most intricate shapes can be finished flawlessly, with no uncoated zones left behind. Next, the coated product enters the curing zone. This high-temperature process fuses the powder to the surface for a strong, durable finish, 150 degrees Celsius for liquid coatings, and around 200 degrees Celsius for powder. Our 86-meter curing oven ensures that even thicker materials are completely cured. After curing, products pass through a 50-meter cooling zone, which brings the temperature down quickly for safe handling and packaging. Once the products come out of the coating process, our quality control team conducts a final inspection following the on-site inspection standards. They perform a thorough visual check to make sure there are no missed spots, and that the surface condition is flawless. Additionally, they measure coating thickness, color consistency, gloss, impact resistance, and conduct cross-cut adhesion tests. All inspection data is automatically recorded in the MES system via Bluetooth-enabled measuring devices. After inspection is complete, the packaging process begins. As you can see, our packaging team refers to the packaging work standard displayed on their monitors to ensure every product is packed correctly. Once packaging is finished, a process tracking slip is attached to the product before it's moved to the finished goods storage area. This concludes our presentation on Hangook Nanotech's production process. We hope you found this overview informative and helpful. At Hangook Nanotech, we are committed to being your reliable partner every step of the way. Thank you very much for your time and attention.